Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is where we talk all things portrait photography, lighting gear, and creative tools to take your work to the next level. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you, my hands-on review of the Neewer MS60C RGB handheld LED light. Let's dive in. Alright, so here it is, the Neewer MS60C RGB handheld LED light. This compact powerhouse features multicolor light mixing and dimming technology, offering a maximum output of 65 watts of power. It's lightweight, only 1.5 pounds or 700 grams, so it's perfect for handheld use or if you're a solo shooter. With 4 light modes and 17 pre-programmed special effects, this light is a creative game changer for video shooters. From simulated police sirens, candlelight, paparazzi flash, there's a lot of potential here for adding drama and flair to your projects. One of the standout features of the MS60C is how versatile it is when it comes to control. You've got 3 ways to adjust it: the control knobs and function buttons on the light itself, the Neewer app with Infinity technology, and the inbuilt 2.4G wireless system. Once connected, the Neewer mobile app with Infinity technology is very impressive. You can control hundreds of lights all at once, upgrade firmware over the air, and group control LED lights of different models up to 99 channels within 65 feet. If you're setting up multiple lights for a big shoot, this feature will save you so much time and hassle. Another big plus for the MS60C is its power flexibility. It comes with a battery box that can run 1 or 2 NPF batteries for on-the-go use. Alternatively, you can use a V-mount battery with a D-tap cable or plug it into a wall socket using the included AC adapter. Now, just a quick note, you can't charge the batteries while using the light, so if you're shooting for an extended period of time, keep that in mind. And for those of you looking for maximum power output, you'll definitely want to use a V-mount battery or the AC adapter. Now let's talk about the real-world performance. I've been using the MS60C in a variety of setups, from filming B-roll to creative portraits, and of course, my YouTube videos like today. And I'm seriously impressed. The colors are vibrant, the effects are super fun to play with, the construction is extremely well built, and the light is bright enough for most indoor scenarios. Alright, let's break it down with some quick pros and cons. Starting with the pros, it's compact, it's really well built, and it's lightweight and comes with tons of accessories. It's impressive color mixing and effects, versatile color options including the Neewer app, and it has multiple power options for multiple shooting scenarios. Now for the cons. Batteries can't be charged while in use, which can be extremely convenient for some situations. And the maximum power output requires a V-mount battery or AC adapter. Overall, the Neewer MS60C is a fantastic addition to any filmmaker or photographer's kit. Whether you're shooting creative videos, portraits, or need a reliable on-the-go light, this one delivers big performance in a compact package. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gear reviews and photography tips. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried the Neewer MS60C or if you have any questions. Now, of course, I'll leave a link for you to check out this light for yourself down below. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.